Hi friends, welcome back. This is the promised follow-up video on my M90. So, here's a quick rundown of how I got it to look how it does. So, while I was building it, I masked up the windows, did the window rubber, did a fake radiator underneath the grille here, black outline, grey acrylic, sprayed the light housings for the headlamps, the arches as well. The only other thing I really did to it was the diff housings, the bolts on there, front and rear, painted the wheels and little accessories like the fuel filler cap and these window hinges, a little bit of silver paint on there. All that, brilliant. Could have done a bit better job on defining the arches, but they do. So this was Tamiya black panel line accent. It's like a capillary action paint, very thin, but fill your brush up, touch it, and it just wicks up into all the parts. Really adds to it. Then there's the clear lights. These were all done with Sharpie. So orange on the indicators front, wing and rear, red for the tail lights. They really do look good. All the accessories, wing mirrors and whatnot, I was going to glue them in, but upon affixing them, they were really good push fits, friction fit, and they stayed on absolutely no problem. I did paint the wheels with an acrylic. They do for the time being. The lights. So this is the standard loom that comes with the lights. So I've installed those, and from prior experience I know these run on 3 volts for the WPL, so the receiver and everything is provided 5 volts from the back. So what I've done is made up a little wiring loom. It takes the third channel of the receiver, provides it to the other connector, but soldered in here is a resistor. It needs 50 ohms resistor, but I only had 100 ohm resistors, so I put 2 in parallel. That's all I had. It drops it down to about 3 volts. All good. Nothing really left to say other than what you might see here. These are 3D printed 1/10 sand ladders. I scaled them down to 80%. They are perfectly scaled. I made the mount that sort of latches under the roof rack here with a couple of body pins. Needs some foam underneath just to stop them rattling about, but they're not coming off. And the only other stuff is some 1/10 accessories. Toolbox. These will be mounted in after some more work's been done. Gas canister, first aid kit, and a fire engine. The fire extinguisher. I might find some more stuff to go on there, but for now, all good. So I'd promised this video. Here it is. Keep an eye out for future upgrades on this. There's lots coming. Driveline, suspension, and the rest of it. Happy driving. Hope you like the M90 like I do. Take care. Catch you later.
You Billy. Hey.